Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I teach you how to make stories for Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. But before start our topic, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon buttons. Due to this, you will be able to watch the latest video on time and get benefit from it. Now start our topic. Open the Google Chrome and search the how to make the stories for Instagram and search. So there are different photos are available, but our topic is to cover the make stories for Instagram. First of all, how do I share my Instagram stories to Facebook? Tap or your profile picture in the buttons right to go to your profiles. Tap in the top right, then tap settings, tap privacy, then tap stories. Scroll down to sharing, then tap next to share your story to on Facebook. So our topic is to make stories for Instagram is here. How do you make a stories for Instagram? Start with the storyboard. There are many different ways to use Instagram stories. Stay in the lines, create a story specific style guide, use your brand fonts and colors, incorporate photography, take boomerage, add text shadows, create design elements with samples. How do your stories work on Instagram and Facebook? In these lines, you can learn how do stories work on Instagram and Facebook. So when you get on Facebook or Instagram, you will be see the stories appear at the bar on the top of your feed. If you want to view someone's stories, simple tap on their profile photos and their story will appear in the full screen portrait mode and display everything they post in the last 24 hours. How do you make Facebook stories? At the top of your news feed, top create story, add your photos or video, tap a story type at the top. Example selfie, boomerage, select a photo or a video from your camera, roll or tap to make a new photo or a video. Tap text in the top right corner, then add your text. Can I create a story for on the Facebook page? Your page story is a way for sharing something with your page followers that will be available for 24 hours. Go to your page and tap your profile pictures, tap create stories, select a photo or video from your camera roll and tap to take a new photo or videos. So here are the different questions about the Facebook stories, Instagram stories and the Twitter stories. You can read and get the knowledge and apply in a practical life and change your work. See you in the next video. Thank you.